Hello everyone and welcome back to our Endless Food Pot channel. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious and aromatic sambar rice. It's a comforting dish packed with flavors and perfect for any occasion. So let's get started. First, we will start by toasting our spices in a pan over low heat. Add a half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon each of coriander seeds and cumin seeds, along with 3 dry red chilies. Let them toast for a minute until fragrant. Next, add a teaspoon of gram pulse, moong dal and Toor dal, along with a tablespoon of sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida. Continue toasting. Now add a teaspoon of rice and a tablespoon of coconut powder. Roast until they turn a lovely brownish red color on low flame. Once done, let it cool and set the spices aside in a grinder jar, and we will grind it into a powder. And in another pan, fry the okra until it's about 50% cooked. Remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now, in the same pan, add a little ghee. Once it's heated, add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 5 sliced green chilies, 2 finely chopped onions, and a pinch of asafoetida. Stir until fragrant. Next, add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, and mix well. After a couple of minutes, add 3 cut drumsticks, 1 cut carrot, 1 cut radish. Let them cook for a bit. Once the vegetables are partially cooked, add salt as per your taste. Add 4 cut tomatoes and let them simmer until softened. Then add back the fried okra. Now it's time to add tanginess. Pour in some tamarind juice and let the vegetables cook until they absorb the flavors. Once the vegetables are about 70% cooked, add a cup of boiled Toor dal and enough water to achieve your desired consistency. The mixture which we kept aside, now it's cooled and we grinded it into a powder. Now add 2 tablespoons of this powder in the sambar. Add salt as per your taste. Be cautious with salt since we have already added some earlier. To enhance the flavors, add a handful of chopped coriander, a little jaggery. Mix everything well and let it simmer until the sambar is cooked to perfection. Teaspoon of chili powder. After the sambar is cooked, add enough boiled rice to it. Let it cook for some time until it comes close. Then turn off the gas, and there you have it. Our delicious sambar rice is ready, and enjoy the burst of flavors in every bite. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!